Hi, so I wanted to go through this and show you basically how we implement the key listener. First of all, key listener is the name of an interface. So we add it here using the implements word. That's the first part of it. We'll see what methods it entails later. But you need to follow these booleans. There's four of them: left, right, up, down. Only right has been implemented. So the easiest way to figure out what's going on is to search what we do with right as we go through this. So if I do a find on the word right, I can find next. Okay, what am I doing with my right here? Okay, so first I set it to false. That means by default, it's not moving. Of course, you're going to want to do something similar with up and down. You don't want it moving up, down, left, or right by default. So you're going to need to set it there. This, you'll note, is in the constructor. We set right to false. What do I do with it next? Okay, here, this is where the actual movement happens. So this says if right, in other words, the Boolean right has been turned on and it's within the frame. I set it to frame width minus 25. You can tweak that a little bit, but remember, the frame width is the overall width, and then you have to subtract away the width of the moving character itself. So if that's true, it's going to increment x1. If right is turned on, in other words, if right is true and it's not at the edge of the screen, you're going to increment x. What else? Then you come down to the key pressed. This is one of the three methods that we need to implement to have a key listener. So if the code is equal to 39, so the right key code is equal to 39. Note here there's a print line. So if you want to find the left key, the up key, look at your command prompt window, and if you press a key, you should see what comes out of it. You should see what code it's associated with. So when I get that code of a 39, again, that's going to be the right key. I've set right to true. If I let go of the key, which is a key released event, then I set it to false. You're going to need this to do the same thing. So you're going to have to set it to false to begin with. You're going to have to handle it as an incrementing x's and y's. And you're also going to have to set it to true and false down there. If you make all those three things happen, you should have functioning keys so you can navigate your character anywhere around the board that you want. Hopefully that will help you get going. Thank you.